Virtual assistant work isn't forever. So the question is, anong gagawin mo after your VA days? So yeah, I was reading a post on Reddit yesterday night and it's about kung ano yung exit plan ko after working as a virtual assistant. And yung question niya is valid since we're not going to be working forever in our life as VAs or remote workers. And same naman kahit sa anong work naman siguro, no? But yung iba kasi sa corporate, may tinatawag tayong retirement plans na makakuha sila ng pensyon after they work for years doon sa corporate or doon sa company na pinagtatrabuhan nila. But for us VAs, iba kasi dahil we're technically self-employed. So in this video, I'm going to tell you and share to you what currently I'm doing right now to start my exit plan. And it might not be the best exit plan, but I think having a plan is better kaysa sa wala. Alright, so currently, nagtatabi-tabi na po ako sa ang aking retirement plan. Majority ng kita ko as VA right now, I'm investing into the money market. Mutual funds, MP2, stocks, at Bitcoin. While also building my emergency funds as well. And I'm heavy po sa mutual funds kasi every month nakakakuha ka talaga ng dividends. And I actually have a second channel for this one, si Boy Ipon. So, gumawa ko ng channel for my savings and investments where I document yung monthly na pagsasave ko ng money. So, if you want to check it out, the link is in the description below. So, it's more of an accountability for me kasi hirap din ako mag-save ng pera dati, no? I'm more of a spender than a saver. So, yeah, kaya medyo late na ako nag-start, no? At the age of 35. So, that's the reason why I built the second channel. Para sa accountability ko, no? Kasi para yung nakikita ko ba yung sarili ko na dinadocument, no? And I started last November 2025. And after some time, no, nakaipon ako, no? Nakaipon ako ng more than 500,000 galing sa sahod ko. And that is for retirement. So technically, you're not going to spend it, no? I really build my habit to save na talaga every time. Because every time I earn, mapa-VA salary pa yan, YouTube income, affiliate, or sponsorship sa channel, I save a portion of that money and after that, pag lumaki na, pwede mo na yung ibili ng land or magtayo ka ng rental business like apartment or Airbnb. But for now talaga, I religiously save money on my investments and natuto na rin ako magtipid. Hindi yung gasta dito, gasta doon. Dati kasi, nung medyo bata-bata pa ako, kahit ano na lang yung bilhin ko, no, want to sawa. Kasi yun nga, di ba, yung mga hindi mo na-experience nung bata ka, gusto mong bilhin yung mga yon or gusto mong makapunta dun sa mga places na, ano, yung mga, gusto mong gawin ba? Eh, syempre, when you're about to do something, it, technically, merong perang involved eh. So, I also reading more about money. So, obvious naman, di ba? I bought some books about personal finance, no, psychology of money, and the art of spending money, and also Think and Grow Rich. So, marami pa akong mga libro about personal finance and I'm really educating myself kasi nga hindi naman talaga tayo in-educate sa school about personal finance kasi no, kaya tayo medyo nahihirapan pagdating sa pag-iipon. So, kailangan talaga nating i-educate yung sarili natin. And for me, perfect talaga yung mutual funds and MP2 since dividend earning siya at consistent talaga. Pero bumibili rin po ako ng stocks and Bitcoin, no? Pero paunti-unti lang kasi volatile yung mga investment na yon. And yeah, that is my exit plan. Currently, yun pa lang yung plano ko na ginagawa ko na ngayon for about 10 months na siguro, no? More about 10 months, I believe. And I'm planning to continuously do this, save money and get heavy on mutual funds kasi nga, it's about passive income, no? If you can match what you're currently earning sa pag-VA and that yung sinisave mo, nakaka-earn din with the same amount, technically, you're buying your freedom already, no? So, that's what I'm doing right now and mas maganda talaga siyang simulan, no? Slowly, no? While you're building your emergency fund, you're building your investment, you're building your retirement plan, whatever you call it, you have to do it slowly and let it compound slowly and don't spend it. Yun yung pinakamahalaga. Don't touch it. Let the money compounds. Let it, para hayaan mo siyang lumaki or siyang tumubo niyan, magbigay ng dividendo sa'yo. Parang puno, di ba? Hayaan mo lang siya dyan. And pag season na, bibigyan kanya ng fruits, no? So, every time, every month, nagbibigay si mutual funds ng dividends, si MP2 every year nagbibigay ng dividends, yung mga stocks every 3 months nagbibigay ng dividends. So technically, you're just waiting, no? And the money is working for you. So yeah, no? Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also the link on the description then for the Boy Ipon channel. Don't forget to check it out. And God bless and see you on my next video po. Salamat!